Happy Thanksgiving Day to you. Hope you're enjoying your morning already. I've just gotten up. I haven't even made coffee yet. The kitchen is waiting for me to do that. My computer seems to understand that it's Thanksgiving already. But we have something to do, so we're going to go do that before we even get coffee. I'm going to need to unlock the door. There it is. And outside we go. Let's see what the day is like. Ah, well, we're starting out on the chill side, but it's going to get chillier. Temperature's just going to drop today, is what I'm hearing. So it is what it is. And it's quite windy, too, so there's going to be that. And here's what we need to do. Because it's Thanksgiving, this is when I always kick off the holiday season by, let's see if I can do this, by turning on the Christmas lights. We have tent campers right here. We have RV campers over here. And we have Joy. This part of the camping loop is mostly empty, frankly, but there are multiple camping loops here, and many of them are super full. Like the one over there. That's got a lot of people in. The lake is right over that way, and although you can't tell because it goes downhill immediately uh, after I don't know what this area is. It's a little playground area. But there's a whole nother level down there, and there's all sorts of RVs in there as well, and that extends a good ways down the lake. So lots of people here in the park for Thanksgiving, so that's very cool. Um, I hope you're with family. I hope you're enjoying your day and that you have just a lot of warm memories. I know sometimes Thanksgiving can be pretty contentious, so I hope there will be a minimum of that for you. Um, I was watching a movie last night about an Amish bakery in Kentucky. And I thought to myself, having just come through Kentucky, I kind of know a little something about Kentucky. And that's not something that I could have said just a couple years ago when I started all of this. And I thought to myself, that's really pretty cool. And I'm just very surprised that I find myself in the position to even be able to do this. And so for me, I think that's one point of thankfulness that I have today. I hope you'll think about what has, made a difference in your life, and that has given you great thankfulness today. And enjoy the day. And we'll see you in the next video.